In this video, we're going to create text on a path or a curve. So I'm going to click on the shape tool. I'm going to draw a circle. Tap on the screen to make a perfect circle. Tap on the selection tool. Tap on the circle. I'm going to duplicate the circle. I'll show you why here in just a minute. Click on this one. Click on the artistic text tool and click somewhere near the boundary. And notice that the cursor is inside the circle. And I'm going to, you can play around with those by either this button or this button. Return or the backspace key or delete key, whatever that might be called. So I'm going to put it on the outside of the circle for now. Make sure the font up here is a font that you can see, because when it's really tiny, it's hard to figure that out. So, okay, so there's the text. And what you can do now is, see these little triangles? The one, since it's outside of the circle, the ones that work with the placement are the ones on the inside. So if you bring that over, that snaps to the quadrants. Bring that over there. Snaps to the quadrants. So you can see that it's actually centered. And I can go here, and the same rules apply with all the text. And you can, let's go back to here. And if I put it on the left, it's going to go to the left placement. If I go to the right, it's going to go there, centered. And if I take it, let's say like this, and you want to center it like that, it centers there. And you can see how that works. If I go here, go to positioning, you have kerning, tracking, and baseline. You can do these too, but I'll just show a few here. Tracking, I'm going to click on the whole word, and you can see how it goes. It comes together and then kind of goes apart, further in. You can click on these as usual, but you have to have the word clicked. There we go. And if you want the baseline, if you want the word down under the baseline or down over, let's do an example. There it goes down. Or you can take it way up. Put your own number in there and that sort of thing. Go back to 0. Now if you want it on the inside, you would take the word and go inside like that. Same rules apply for, you got to drag the outer triangles for that. There we go. And same rules apply. Okay, and that's how you do the circle. Now let's say we wanted to put this back up there. Just grab it like this and kind of place it where you want to. And make it look like any way you want. Circle. Now notice how it's white, and so this is how that works. So if you want to keep what you had, I suggest you make a duplicate like I did before, and then you can put it back there and it will still look like that. But that's how that works. Okay, now I'm going to take the pencil tool over here and I'm just going to draw a shape like that. I'm going to go to the select tool. It's selected. I'm going to go to the artistic text tool and same thing. Click on that. It's on that side of the path. We will, let's see here, text on a path. And there you have your text on a path. You can do all kinds of things with this. Here's the text. You can see it maybe a 48 instead of a 65. There we go. And let's see, go over there, or go over here. Bring these out. Move those. Notice how it goes to the end and it flips over. That's because it's at the end of its placement. What you can also do is go up here to the node tool, and the text will follow the path of however you want to do that. Anyway, you get the idea. The next one I'm going to try is the brush tool. So select that, select on there, and you can grab that, and yeah. So there is how you work with the text on a path or a curve. Thanks for watching.